welcome to another video. Today's video today's video is something special. So it currently snowed. It is currently 11:22 a.m. and I am about to go show y'all the snow out here because I just got a urge to do this look that I've been wanting to do. Sometimes I just get impulsive, creative urges to do stuff.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be?
With the twist. So I have these. We're gonna take our wax stick and we're gonna push anything that ain't the baby hairs back. Anything. I forgot to twist out the baby hair over here. That's too much. You're gonna push everything back. And just brush towards the back. Okay. Because we want the flattest surface we can get, but we also want it sleek. So I'm about to get my freeze spray, the got to be freeze spray, and I'm gonna freeze spray it into like the placement that I want, and that's what we're gonna do. Sorry. What that's gonna do is it's gonna give it a hard, what would they call it? Like, I guess a hard finish. Okay, so we're taking our brush and we just scooping back the hair. We're scooping our hair back. We're pushing it back. I'm gonna take my Sebastian Shaper Plus. So I'm gonna hold this here like this. Just like that. You also could take your blow dryer instead of the hot comb if that's what you want to do. It's all up to you on your preference. Just like this, and I'm to the side. Look at how sleek that ain't got. You're gonna have some pieces that come up because that's realistic. So I'm gonna go from the root. Okay. We're pushing it back. More freeze spray. The freeze spray be your best friend. Oh, I got a piece of lace lifting. This will be your best friend because We don't want too much of it back, but we want it to be flat. Like, the only thing I want up in the front is my baby hairs. Okay. I'm gonna let my hot comb sit over to the side for a sec. You see that? Spray. Okay. So y'all, I put a stocking cap down. Just to try to get it just a bit more flat. And also so it can dry, so I can put these things on here and they actually stick, because I don't believe they were sticking up and wet. I'm doing this on warm. Okay, y'all. So we'll go ahead and take our thing off. We're gonna go ahead and take our band off. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply our. Okay, so let me scoot y'all up just a little. Just a little. I don't know. I'm fucking with it. I think I look good. You know. So I'm thinking, oh, we come with a bunch of them in there. I didn't even realize. I thought they were only hearts. Look, it's letters. Oh, sorry, that's numbers. And this one is the letter. Oh, wow. And then it got little, like, raindrop ones. Okay, but for today's look, ooh, I love that. And it was only $7.99, y'all. Amazon do be having some gems. For today's look, we're just going to use this. I want to see how it stick. Look at it. Okay. Okay. It fell in a place where I kind of like it in that place anyway. We're going to get cute. Okay, so one of them kind of had fell off. Make sure when you're doing this, you take them, and I'm going to show you how I apply it. Make sure you press them down, because they do be trying to like slide off, and I guess maybe it's because the hairspray at the bottom to create the thing. But that is so far. Let's keep it hard. It even has the little ones, in which I think I'm gonna place in the center. So I'm gonna take one off. And I'm gonna place it right in the center. Right up here. How cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I went with this, because I almost changed my mind. I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm just pressing them down, okay? You know what? Let's take a little one. This is a little hard, if y'all can tell. It's kind of stuck to my finger. And I just placed it somewhere, like right up in there. And I'm gonna place another one on the same side, kind of like it's placed. And look at that. Oh. And I think I'm gonna take it and place it right here. Dang, that one went flying. That's the thing about doing it. Dang, that one went flying. That's the thing about hair gems. They go flying. Okay, there's one right there. And I'm trying to put them in places where I know they're gonna lay and stay still. So I don't have no mousse, which is what I would usually use for a curly wig, but I also use these as well. So since I'm just gonna pour it, and we're gonna distribute it all at the bottom of their hair. Yeah. See, one of them just fell. And you're gonna take it, and when you put your product on and you distribute. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go and wet it, and I'm gonna come right back, okay? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.